It's time to cover the different components that make display advertising work, including how you will find and target the right audience, how you will build your adverts, and how you'll organize your campaigns. If you were using a display advertising network that lets you advertise on many different websites to help you build and run your display campaigns, and almost all of them will allow you to decide where your adverts will show up and who will see them. Like all digital advertising, display advertising platforms offer many targeting options. You can limit your ads to people who speak certain languages or certain days or time, or you can even combine multiple things together. Well, there are some targeting options that are unique to display adverts. For example, you can really zero in on where you want to be advertising by defining specific websites, individual pages on those websites, and even specific areas on those individual pages that you want your adverts to appear on. These are known as placement. The idea here is that if you know the kinds of sites your target audience is likely to be visiting, you can get your ads in front of them by targeting the exact placement you want.